The cabin filter is located behind the glove box. Open the glove box. Unhook the dampener arm. Removing and reinstalling the stoppers is easier if you partially close the glove box. Push in on the stopper and pull outwards. When it unclips, rotate and pull the stopper through to remove it. Unclip and remove the filter housing door. Remove the old filter and clean out the excess debris in the housing. Insert your new filter into the housing, with its airflow indicating arrow pointing down. Reinstall the filter housing door. Reinstall the stoppers by matching the shape and then rotating clockwise. Then, push until it clicks into place. Remember that lifting the housing makes it easier. Reinstall the dampener arm. Close the glove box.
For the best price, visit undercarexperts.com and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.